Thought I'd give a close-up walkthrough of this tractor. When I first saw it a few days ago, I guess last week, at first sight, I just thought it was an 856. I don't know much about 56 series tractors other than 656s. I really only know about the tractors that we have on my family's farm. So anything else has just been me like seeing pictures of other tractors. I'm still learning a lot. Anyway, I thought it was an 856 because of the shifters and the pedals and stuff. And then I started looking closer, and it's an engine that looks really exactly like the 806 that we have. But then those fuel filters are pretty different too, right? I don't know if they're updated filters, but you know, you have your Rusamaster injector pump, and it's like, man, that looks like a 361 to me. But there's an alternator and all that. There's no turbo or anything. Somebody asked me to read castings. I'll try to look at that closer. I gotta rub it clean because, man, I can't read that right now. But you know, it has steps on both sides. The let's go around. It didn't have a grill, but you see, like, it has this more modern fan guard. You know, our 806 doesn't have that. There's a casting number right there if you want to take a look at that. Anybody? Was that 6072? What's that? 6361? Another number right on the transmission. Taking a look. There we go there. But has these 56 series pedals, and definitely looks like a 56 series platform to me. Has the 56 throttle, 56 shifter, right? Has dual hydraulics. That's the main thing I'm going to try to get working. I really need dual hydraulics on the 706. I'm hopeful on these. We'll see. But I'm taking these steps. I might take the fuel tank, depending on how it is. These tires are holding air. I'm gonna use those for duals. I'm gonna take most of that 3-point hitch. It's not all there anyway. But you see it, you're looking around at it. Oh, I'm totally taking this. They're broken on the 706. If you have any other questions, ask and I'll search. I can get you pictures of anything that you need. Yeah. Let's see. No serial tag. It does look like an 06 in the front and a 56 in the back. Could have been modified at any way. By the way, I will be selling this front end. It has a lot of welds on it, but it seems solid, like they broke in the past and they fixed it up. I think they did a good job at first sight. You know, there's no break here, there's no break here, there's no welds there. There's always welds there, but looks like it broke in half somehow. Something happened, but I'm not going to be needing that front end. It won't be the prettiest thing if you want it, but it works. That's all. I hope this provides some insight. It's lunchtime for me now. Goodbye.